Ito na kaya sila.
She wants to meet female.
Ay, auntie. Dito ako.
Sige, meron ka ganito. Papart.
Kiss. Auntie.
Order na kayo. Abala, alam ko wala.
Ang ganda ng sino. Ang ganda ng wala bang dalawa? Hindi ba dalawa?
Wala, alam mo.
O, edi, wow. Doon kayo, saan kayo? Dito.
Mag-choose na kayo ng gusto nyo.
Peking duck, that's it.
Ito.
Yeah, you got one? Yeah, I want that. That's all. That's all I want.
One more coming.
One more coming. Thank you.
Ayan yung mga in-order. Kahit ano.
Ganito lang din.
Kahit ano, fish na. Ano yan? Alam ko yan, fish yan eh. Yung fish ang ano niyan, isda. Ano, hanapin mo yung kasi kami kumorder ng gusto namin. Ako, gusto ko lang, ano, fried rice. That's it. Fried rice. Seafood fried rice.
No, Peking duck, that's it. And rice, that's it.
That's the one you ordered. Silbad, gusto nila kulay. Silbad, sabi niya.
Yun na.
Ay, kumain na lang ito kayo ah. Ay na kayo ah. Para sino? Asan yung ano, yung una? Ha? Sa kotse? Oo.
Yeah. So, we add. We go add their order. They already ordered. Not yet. So we add what Peking duck.
One Peking duck.
Peking duck. Ano pa? This one.
Andito na yung una, no?
And ma, ano sa inyo? Fish? Ano yung fish?
Oh, ano yun? Ano?
You know what kind of fish you have?
Oh, this one. Very good.
The what? Oh, this one. Ito ma.
Yan. You like that one? That one, guys.
Pick up.
With the sauce? With the sauce?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ginger onion sauce.
Oh, ginger.
Sauce.
Steam,
Alright.
yeah.
Oh, why steam?
Sibas yan,
Yan.
sibas yan, di ba? Yeah.
You know, spice. This fish island uhu.
Island uhu.
I don't like uhu.
Oh, what you want?
You want this one?
Sibas.
Sea bass, this is a fillet, not the whole fish.
Oh yeah, the one that with the fillet. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
And then, okay. And then 2 times seafood combination, chow mein.
Chow mein. You
Chow mein, yeah.
should
Seafood, yeah. And then salt. And then salt.
Hindi tunay na duck.
Salted
Fake
beef.
duck.
Yeah, salted beef, bitter melon. And then shrimp and shrimp fried rice.
Shrimp fried rice.
2 times. And then some rice. Good for rice. No rice. No rice.
You have 2 fried rice.
Yeah, 2 fried rice, 2
2
steamed
fried
rice.
rice. And then 2 order steam. We have 7 sour soup.
Hot and sour.
Yeah.
Good for 7.
Yeah.
1.5.
Hot sour.
Okay, all right.
1.5.
Okay.
And sizzling.
Wait, how many sour?
1.5 daw. Good for 7. And sizzling sizzling tenderloin.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. Yes. You can repeat again. Yeah.
How many steamed rice do you want?
Because you like plain rice?
Pwede naman umorder pagka na-short.
Plain rice.
Yeah, we can order if we
Repeat order.
Okay.
Peking duck, steamed sea bass fillet,
Yes.
2 order the seafood chow mein,
Yes.
bitter melon beef,
Yes.
2 shrimp fried rice,
Yes.
1.5 hot and sour soup.
Yeah. Yung gulay. Walang gulay. Yes, man. Chow mein.
Scallop black
Yung mga gulay niya yung chow. Seafood. Yeah.
Puro mo.
Yeah. Just like
Dito.
Ito. Black fungus.
Yeah.
Black fungus.
Black fungus.
Yeah.
Should I add something?
Yeah, go.
The honey walnut.
Yeah. One more. Ang dami, walnut.
That's it, right?
Wala akong kakainin kanin. Honey, dami kong kakainin. Honey walnut.
Already here.
Love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Something to drink, beer,
No, thank you.
ice water.
Water.
Birthday cake.
Do you have a... Meron silang ano yung... Ano tawag dito? Courtesy birthday ano?
Ayan.
Yung gano'n parang siopaw na may laman na gano'n.
Sabihin mo.
Sana ngayon kanina pa. Kasi yung birthday nyo binigyan tayo eh.
Yeah, it's sabihin na.
You're gonna remind, yeah. You're gonna have to remind me.
Di ba binigyan tayo?
It's a birthday.
O sige na. Bye. Wala lang.
Ang ganda na.
Agad dalag kayo, hindi makita yung mukha niya. But anyway, mukha ko na lang.